Welcome to this new ukulele lesson with Upa Upa Tahiti. Today we're gonna learn a song called Mareva. It's a beautiful song. It's about a declaration of love. I will put the translation of the lyrics in the description as always, and also a link to the original song. Go check it out. So you're gonna need 7 chords for this song, and then I'm gonna show you 2 strumming pattern, and we're gonna finish with a play along as usual. Let's start. So now I'm gonna take the time to show you what chord you need to play the song. So we're gonna start with the C chord. You put your index finger or your middle finger on the first string of the 3rd fret. Then we have the E7 chord. So for the E7 chord, you put your index finger on the upstring of the 1st fret, your index finger, and then your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the bottom string, so the 1st string of the 2nd fret. Next we have the A minor chord, so you put your index finger or again your middle finger on the upstring, so the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Then we have the D7 chord, so I'm going to show you 2 different positions to place your finger for this chord. So the first position, you bar the 2nd, 3rd and 4th string of the 2nd fret with your index finger, like this. You bar the chord. You bar the string, sorry. And then you add your middle finger on the bottom string, so the 1st string of the 3rd fret, right here. Next, for the 2nd position, you're gonna use 1 finger for each string. So you put your index finger on the upstring, of the 2nd fret, just under it your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger under it, so on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, and you add your pinky one just on the bottom string of the 3rd fret. So I show you this position because sometimes it's better to change between chords. So this position is way more easier to change to the other chords during the song. So that's why I show you those different ways. So next we have the D minor 7 chord. So you put your index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then your middle finger on the upstring of the 2nd fret, just under it your ring finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and your pinky finger on the bottom string of the 3rd fret. So finally, this is a combination of the D minor chord and the C chord. So D minor chord plus C chord equal D minor 7 chord. And And then we have the G chord. So you put your index finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, your middle finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. And the last one is gonna be the G7 chord. So you put your index finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then your middle finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the bottom string of the 2nd fret. Okay, now for the strum. I'm gonna show you the first pattern. So it's the basic one. It goes like this: down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. With the chord, it sounds like this. And then the second pattern. And then the second pattern, which is a bit faster. So down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 down. So with the chords, it's gonna sound like this. And that's it for the strum. Now for the play along, feel free to use whatever pattern works better for you, and let's play along.
Mareva
thank you for joining me today. I hope you're gonna like the video and the song. Don't hesitate to comment, to share, and to subscribe to our channel. And I see you next time for a new song. Bye bye.